Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just designed. This right here is a new Roblox Flicker I just designed. And if you look closely, it's got a 4-pointed star look right here. See? So if you look at these edges, it looks like a 4-pointed star. And this is how it flies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, we'll learn how to fold it. Ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this model, I'm going to use a 7-inch square of kami, but you could pretty much use any size square. So let's begin white side up, and we're going to fold in half, but if you want it to be seamless on the bottom, like this one, then just make crease marks, like this. So make 2 crease marks on the sides, but if you don't mind creases on it, like this one, then you can fold all the way across. Okay, like this, and now fold to the crease marks. And this time you can fold it all the way across. Okay, and repeat on this side. Alright, now do the same thing in the other direction. So fold in half, and to make it seamless on the bottom, just make a crease mark on here and here, like that. And now fold 2 crease marks, and this time you can fold it all the way across. Okay, unfold, and repeat on this side. Okay, and now unfold. And now take this point and fold it to this intersection. Okay, and do that all the way around. Okay, just like that. Alright, now we're going to fold diagonally in half. And again, if you don't mind the creases on the bottom, then you can fold all the way across, but if you want it to be seamless, then just crease, hold on. Okay, so to make it seamless, just crease on the 2 sides right here. So just from here to that point right there on that side, and same on this side. So from that point right there to the right, like that, just on these 2 triangles. And now do the same thing in the other direction. Alright, like that. Okay, and now let's rabbit ear these 4 corners. So fold on these 2 creases right here. So we're folding this triangle in half also, like this. And then now flatten this, and there's no crease, you can align this, but there is another guide mark. So just fold it so that these 2 raw edges align, and make sure that this point aligns with this edge. See, just like that. And do that all the way around. So on here, make the raw edges align, and make this point align with this edge. Alright, and continue. Okay, and now you can just flatten these in both directions, like this, because we're going to squash fold them also. Okay, like that. Now squash them. It's just open right here, and squash, like that. And do that all the way around. Okay, this is what we got right here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this point and we're going to fold it up to here. Alright, and do that all the way around. Okay, unfold those. And now let's tug them inside. So just mount and fold it on that crease you just made. Like that. And do that all the way around. Okay, just like that. That's what it looks like. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to this crease right here. So we're actually making the 4-pointed star right here. Okay, and repeat on this side. So take this edge and fold it to here. Like that, and do that all the way around. Okay, and now the final part is we're going to take all these points right here and we're going to tuck them inside. So I'm going to start right here. So just take this point and just wrap it over this edge and into the pocket. Just stick it in there like that. Alright, and crease that really sharply. Make sure it stays flat. Like that. And now do that all the way around, so with all these other points. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. Alright, now just crease everything super sharply, especially right here. And once you did that, your Roblox 4-pointed star flicker is complete. And yeah, I like how it's seamless on this side. So yeah. And alright, now let's see how this baby flies. Oh, before I show you how it flies, I want to show you one cool thing about it. So when you turn it over, the square right here disappears, but when I turn off the lights, and then when you shine a light from behind it, the square reappears. And also, if you look closely, you can see the star right here. This kind of looks like a holiday star, so you can see that inside. So yeah, that's the really cool thing about it. Alright, now I'm going to show you how it flies. Okay, so to fly this thing, it's just like an ordinary flicker. So I'm just going to hold it right here, and I'm going to flick on this edge. And so, here it goes. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to do it a few more times. Oh yeah. Ooh. Alright, one last time. Oh yeah. Alright, hope you guys were able to fold that, and hope you enjoy flying it, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.